Put your knife steel on a wet towel, and then at a 15-degree angle, you're going to start at the heel of the knife and go all the way up to the tip, about 3 times on each side, and then check it again. If it is sharp, then you can take the towel to it. You're going to have a secure grip with your knife, with your index and your thumb wrapping around the bolster. You're going to use the claw procedure to slice down lengthwise just to get yourself a flat surface. Turn your potato and now you can make slices, keeping the knife tip down as you go and trying to keep your slices as evenly as possible. When you are dicing a potato, you are going to go over, depending on the size of the dice, medium is going to be a 1/2 inch, small is going to be a 1/4 inch. You're going to go down a 1/4 inch, lay it on its side, and then you're going to make strips a 1/4 inch wide. Turn it the other direction so you're making a checkerboard, and then you are going to be making your cuts again. So essentially you're making little Rubik's cubes.